Welcome to the deep dive.
Hi there.
So today we're jumping into some English vocabulary that contrasts, well, village life and city life.
Yeah, based on that interesting comparison Emma made, it's a really good way to learn new words, actually.
Definitely, seeing them side by side. So we want to help you grasp these words in a more natural way.
Exactly. See how different places use different language.
Okay, first up, from the village side. Emma mentioned sleeping too, crickets chirping.
Ah, yes. That sound.
What does that bring to mind?
It's that really typical nighttime sound in the countryside, isn't it? Very natural, very calm.
Quiet.
Yeah, highlights the quiet. Let's get you to repeat that. Crickets chirp.
Crickets chirp, village night sound.
Perfect. Then there's everyone greets you. The word is greet.
Right, so just saying hello.
Pretty much, yeah. To say hello politely, warmly, but maybe it feels, more common or friendly in a smaller community.
Like people genuinely notice you.
Exactly. So repeat after us. Greet.
Greet. Say hello warmly.
Okay. Switching gears to the city. Emma mentions skyscrapers block the sunrise.
Skyscrapers. Big word. Big buildings.
Huh, yeah. Very, very tall buildings. They really define a city's look, don't they?
Totally. Let's have you say that. Skyscrapers.
Skyscrapers, tall city buildings.
Good. Then, back to the village feel, she says, I miss homegrown veggies. Homegrown.
Homegrown. This means food grown locally. Like right there.
In someone's garden, maybe?
Could be. It suggests freshness, being close to the source.
Nice. Let's practice. Homegrown.
Homegrown, locally produced.
But cities have their own thing. Emma says, delivery apps save time.
Ah, the modern convenience. Delivery apps.
So what are these exactly?
Well, they're apps on your phone, right? For ordering food, groceries, other stuff.
And it just comes to your door.
Pretty much. Super common in cities. Let's repeat. Delivery apps.
Delivery apps, city convenience.
Then there's this phrase for villages. Tight-knit communities. Tight-knit.
What does that mean, tight-knit?
It describes people being really close, connected, supportive.
Like a big family almost.
Sort of, yeah. A strong community feeling. Let's practice. Tight-knit.
Tight-knit, close communities.
Now, cities offer endless convenience. We mentioned delivery apps, but convenience is broader.
Right. So what's the core idea of convenience here?
It just means things are easy to get, easy to access, services, shops, transport. It saves time and effort.
Makes life easier in that way.
Definitely. Let's say it. Convenience.
Convenience, easy access.
Of course, there are downsides mentioned too.
Yeah.
Like pollution.
Yeah, that's a big one for cities sometimes. What falls under pollution?
It's basically harmful stuff in the environment. Could be dirty air, loud noise.
Things that aren't so great for health or comfort.
Exactly. Often more of an issue in crowded places. Repeat. Pollution.
Pollution, dirty environment.
Okay, let's think about the village atmosphere again. A key word is peaceful,
Peaceful. That sounds nice.
doesn't it? It means calm, quiet, not a lot of noise or stress.
The opposite of busy, really.
Pretty much. Often used for the countryside. Let's
Yep.
practice.
Peaceful, calm atmosphere.
And finally, for the city's rhythm. Fast-paced.
Fast-paced. You hear that a lot about cities.
Yeah, then things happen quickly. People are always rushing, busy schedules.
Lots of energy, maybe a bit frantic sometimes.
Can be. It's just a very active, quick lifestyle. Repeat. Fast-paced.
Fast-paced, busy lifestyle.
Okay, great. We've covered quite a few words.
Yeah, ready for a quick quiz to see if you remembered them?
Let's do it. First question for you. What nighttime sound did we mention for villages?
Crickets chirping.
Got it. Okay. How do villagers often treat strangers, according to Emma?
They greet them warmly.
Yep. What tall things might block a city sunrise?
Skyscrapers.
Nice one. What kind of food is maybe less common in city shops?
Homegrown food.
Right. What's a potential downside of city living we discussed?
Pollution.
Good. And a social positive often found in villages.
That was tight-knit communities.
Excellent. What's a major advantage cities offer?
Convenience. Easy access.
Perfect. Which lifestyle is often described as peaceful?
Village life.
And the word for the city's rhythm?
Fast-paced.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So it seems neither is better, just different advantages, different feelings.
Exactly. So the big question for you listening is, thinking about all these words and ideas, what parts of village life or city life appeal most to you and why?
It's a good question. Reflecting on the vocabulary really helps clarify your own preferences, I think.
Absolutely. Keep noticing these kinds of words in English.
Yeah, comparing things is such a useful way to learn. Keep up the curiosity.
That's it for this deep dive. See you next time.